Hi gorgeous, I'm Cassidy. I'm so happy that you're here with me, taking time to care for yourself, to strengthen your inner thighs. Did you know that your inner thighs play an important role for the stabilization of your pelvis and your hips, which is great for your alignment and your posture? Even though this exercise may seem familiar to you, please follow along with me through the whole thing. You may hear some new tips that will really help you to master the movement. This is ideal for beginners. Let's get to it. You're going to start laying down on your side. You do want to check that your head is in line with your shoulders and your pelvis so that you have nice alignment. You want to extend both legs out straight and have your feet slightly in front of your pelvis. You're going to take your top leg, bend the knee, and have your foot flat on the mat. Your leg can either be behind the bottom leg or in front, whatever works best for you. From there, you want to engage in your abs. You want to try to create as much space between your waistline and the mat as possible, so you're working your nice, deep, stabilizing abdominal muscles. So what you're going to do here, use your free hand for support if you want to, is bring that bottom leg up until you feel the inner thigh kick in. I feel it. Do you feel it? Okay. Once that inner thigh is kicked in, you're going to do nice big lifts, as big as you can, without your pelvis moving, right? Keep your abs engaged. So lots of work for the inner thigh and the abs here. Please try to keep your pelvis as stable as possible. You're gonna feel that inner thigh working all the way up from the groin down to where it connects at the knee. Maybe you're already feeling a burn. That's normal. I'm starting to feel a burn. That's good. You want that. Remembering to breathe. Keep your abs working. Keep the space between your waistline and the mat, right? Keep your pelvis very still. Are you starting to feel some heat? I am feeling some heat. Okay, now you're gonna leave the leg up at the high point. Wow, do you feel your inner thigh really contracted and working? From here, you're gonna do little pulses, trying to keep your pelvis nice and still, your abs engaged. Do you feel that inner thigh really fired up? I am feeling it. Are you feeling the heat? I am feeling the heat. Wow, are you burning? I am burning. Woo, holy smokes. Let's just do a few more. Try not to get sloppy as you get tired. Try to keep your form. Just a few more. Excellent, and rest. Nicely done. All right, checking to see that your head is in line with your shoulders and your pelvis so that you have nice alignment. Extending both legs out straight with your feet slightly in front of your pelvis. Bending that top leg. It can be behind the working leg or in front, whatever is best for you. Engaging in your abs, creating space in between your waistline and the mat. You're going to bring up that top leg as high as it can without the pelvis moving. You want to feel your inner thigh engaged. Do you feel it? All right, once you feel like it's fired up, ready to go, you're gonna go down and up with the leg. Using your breath, keeping your abs engaged. Please be very careful of not moving your pelvis, right? You really want to work the inner thigh, yeah? Feeling it. You may be feeling the burn. That's normal. I'm starting to feel it. You may be feeling the heat. I'm feeling it. Wow. Oh my goodness. Whew, I am feeling the heat. I hope you are too. I really hope you're feeling your inner thigh working, and I hope you're feeling the support of your abs and using your breath. Oh my goodness. We can do a few more, right? You got this. All right, now you're gonna leave it up. Wow, do you feel your inner thigh? Is it quivering a little bit? Mine's quivering a little bit. Okay, now the little pulses up and up and up and up. You got this. Stabilizing your pelvis, keeping your abs engaged, nice and small with the movement, really firing up your inner thigh. Oh my goodness, do you feel it? I am on fire. Just a few more here. You got this. All right, go ahead and rest. Nicely done. Okay, you're gonna finish with an inner thigh stretch. So opening your legs as wide as you can, take your pillow, place it in front of you, and you're just gonna go ahead, fold forward and try to relax into the stretch as best you can. You are going to feel that stretch all along the inner thigh from the groin down to your knee. That's normal. Just try to have a nice relaxed upper body. Remembering to breathe. Just trying to get deeper and deeper into the stretch. So good to stretch out the inner thighs after you work them so that you can keep the length of the muscles, keep the mobility of the hips. It may feel a little uncomfortable. That's normal. Obviously, you don't want to feel any pain. If you do, you want to come out of the stretch. It should feel good. Only go to your challenge point, whatever that is for you. It's perfect. Hopefully you feel like you're opening up, getting more range of motion. Let's just take a couple more breaths here. And then nice and easy coming out of it. Excellent. Well done. All right, you did it. That's so awesome. Strengthening your inner thighs, working on the health of your hip and your alignment and your posture. I love it. If you notice that one side feels weaker than the other, do more reps for your weaker side to create more balance in your body. I want you to get the most out of this exercise. So if you have any questions or you're looking for modifications, leave a comment below. I'm happy to help. So FYI, this is part 3 of 4. You can access part 4 in the description below or possibly at the end of the video. It will be waiting for you whenever you're ready, and I will meet you there. See you soon. Are you ready for exclusive content, early access to content, and other perks? Join us on Patreon. Click on the link in the description of this post for more. Special shout out to my Vital 7 stars. Thank you for making this video possible.